If you've been following the Linux world lately, you've probably noticed that new distributions seem to appear almost every month. Some focus on performance, others prioritize security, and many try to reinvent the desktop experience with unique designs and features. But every once in a while, a distribution comes along that doesn't try to completely change the way you use your computer. Instead, it focuses on making everything work smoothly, look modern, and remain stable for years to come. That's exactly the impression many users are getting from FunOS 26.04 LTS. This latest long-term support release aims to provide a balanced Linux experience that combines reliability, ease of use, attractive design, and strong performance in a single package. The first thing users notice after booting into FunOS 26.04 LTS is the clean and polished desktop environment. The developers have clearly put effort into creating a visual experience that feels modern without becoming distracting. The interface is organized in a way that makes navigation simple for newcomers while remaining efficient for experienced users. Menus are easy to access, settings are logically arranged, and the overall desktop layout feels familiar enough that users coming from Windows or another Linux distribution won't face a steep learning curve. Everything appears thoughtfully designed to reduce friction and help users become productive immediately. Performance is one of the strongest aspects of this release. Modern operating systems often become heavier with each update, consuming more memory and processor resources over time. FunOS 26.04 LTS takes a different approach by focusing on efficiency. During everyday tasks such as web browsing, document editing, media playback, and multitasking, the system remains responsive and fluid. Applications launch quickly, windows open without delay, and desktop animations feel smooth. Even on older computers that may struggle with heavier operating systems, FunOS manages to deliver a surprisingly comfortable experience. A major reason many users are interested in this release is the long-term support status. Long-term support, often abbreviated as LTS, means the distribution is designed to receive security patches, bug fixes, and maintenance updates for an extended period. This is especially important for users who depend on their computers for work, education, or business purposes. Instead of constantly upgrading to new versions every few months, users can install FunOS 26.04 LTS and expect a stable platform that remains supported for years. This level of reliability makes it attractive not only for home users but also for organizations looking for a dependable Linux solution. The installation process reflects the project's commitment to accessibility. Installing Linux can sometimes be intimidating for newcomers, especially when dealing with disk partitioning and boot configurations. FunOS simplifies much of this process through a user-friendly installer that guides users through each step. The installation screens are clear and informative, reducing confusion while still offering advanced options for experienced users who want greater control. Whether someone is replacing another operating system entirely or setting up a dual boot configuration alongside Windows, the process feels straightforward and approachable. Hardware compatibility has also received significant attention in this release. One of the common concerns among new Linux users is whether their devices will function properly after installation. FunOS 26.04 LTS appears to address this concern by offering strong support for modern hardware. Wireless adapters, Bluetooth devices, printers, webcams, and external storage devices are generally detected automatically. Graphics support is also well implemented, allowing users with both integrated and dedicated graphics solutions to enjoy smooth performance. This level of compatibility helps eliminate many of the frustrations that new users sometimes encounter when trying Linux for the first time. Software availability is another area where FunOS shines. The operating system includes a well-designed software center that makes discovering and installing applications simple. Users can browse categories, search for programs, read descriptions, and install software with just a few clicks. Popular productivity tools, web browsers, communication applications, multimedia software, and development environments are readily available. The software management experience feels modern and intuitive, reducing the need for command line interactions unless users specifically prefer them. For users who enjoy customization, FunOS offers a wide range of options. One of the reasons Linux remains popular is the freedom it provides to personalize the computing experience. FunOS embraces this philosophy while maintaining sensible defaults. Users can modify themes, icons, wallpapers, fonts, panel layouts, and various interface behaviors. The default appearance is attractive enough for those who prefer a ready-to-use experience, but the customization possibilities ensure that enthusiasts can shape the desktop to match their preferences. This flexibility allows FunOS to appeal to a broad audience with different tastes and requirements. Security remains a key consideration in modern operating systems, and FunOS 26.04 LTS includes several features designed to protect users. Regular security updates help address newly discovered vulnerabilities, while system permissions and application management tools contribute to a safer computing environment. Linux has long been recognized for its strong security model, and FunOS builds upon that foundation. While no operating system is completely immune to threats, the developers appear committed to maintaining a secure platform without compromising usability. The multimedia experience is another highlight worth discussing. Audio playback works smoothly, video content streams without issues, and media applications integrate well with the desktop environment. Whether users are listening to music, watching movies, attending online meetings, or creating digital content, the operating system provides a capable platform. Support for modern audio and video technologies ensures compatibility with a wide variety of media formats. This attention to multimedia functionality makes FunOS suitable for both casual entertainment and creative workflows. Gaming support on Linux has improved dramatically over the past several years, and FunOS benefits from these advancements. Thanks to modern graphics drivers, compatibility layers, and growing developer support, many popular games now run surprisingly well on Linux systems. FunOS provides access to gaming platforms and related software, making it easier for users to build a gaming setup without extensive configuration. While some titles may still require adjustments, the overall gaming experience is far more mature than it was in the past, making Linux a realistic option for many gamers. Developers will also find plenty to appreciate in FunOS 26.04 LTS. The operating system provides access to modern programming languages, development frameworks, and software engineering tools. Whether working with Python, JavaScript, Rust, C++, Java, or other technologies, developers can quickly set up productive work environments. Support for containers, virtualization, version control systems, and integrated development environments makes the platform suitable for professional development tasks. The stability offered by the LTS Foundation is particularly valuable for developers who need a reliable environment for long-term projects. Another positive aspect of FunOS is its attention to power efficiency. Battery life is an important factor for laptop users, and efficient resource management can make a noticeable difference in everyday usage. FunOS includes optimizations that reduce unnecessary background activity and improve overall energy consumption. As a result, users may experience longer battery life compared to heavier operating systems. This focus on efficiency complements the distribution's broader goal of delivering strong performance without excessive resource demands. The file management experience is simple yet powerful. Users can organize documents, browse directories, manage downloads, and access network resources with ease. The file manager offers useful features without becoming overly complicated, maintaining a balance between functionality and simplicity. Common tasks such as copying files, creating folders, searching for documents, and connecting external storage devices feel intuitive and responsive. These everyday interactions may seem minor, but they contribute significantly to the overall quality of the user experience. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of FunOS 26.04 LTS is how well everything comes together. Many distributions excel in one area while neglecting others. Some prioritize appearance but suffer from performance issues. Others focus on speed while lacking polish. FunOS appears to strike a balance between these competing priorities. The result is an operating system that feels complete, cohesive, and ready for daily use. The combination of modern design, efficient performance, long-term stability, hardware compatibility, software availability, and customization options creates a package that is easy to recommend. After spending time exploring the system, it's clear that FunOS 26.04 LTS is designed for users who want a dependable Linux experience without unnecessary complexity. It doesn't rely on flashy marketing or radical design changes to attract attention. Instead, it focuses on refining the fundamentals and delivering a polished desktop that simply works. For newcomers considering their first Linux installation, it offers an approachable entry point. For experienced users, it provides a stable and flexible platform capable of handling a wide range of tasks. As the Linux ecosystem continues to grow and mature, distributions like FunOS demonstrate how far desktop Linux has evolved. The barriers that once discouraged new users have been reduced significantly, and modern Linux systems are more accessible than ever before. FunOS 26.04 LTS represents this progress well, combining the strengths of open-source software with a user-friendly approach that welcomes both beginners and experts. Based on this first look, the release appears to be a strong step forward for the project, and a promising option for anyone searching for a modern, stable, and enjoyable Linux operating system.